What's going on, people? My name is Brandon, and today I'll be showing you how to use Doodle. You can access Doodle two different ways. You can either go up top here and put it into your URL, or you can search it through a search engine. Let's just search it through Google, here, doodle.com, and you can see Doodle Easy Scheduling. Click on that, that'll bring you to the Doodle homepage. Here on the home page, if you scroll down, it'll show you what Doodle is used for, how it can be used, and just a bunch of other random information that may be relevant to a question you have. Let's get started here. So you'll go back to the top and you'll click schedule an event, which is free, by the way. It takes 4 steps to completing a Doodle. And those 4 steps are the general information, time proposal, setting, and the invite. So what we're gonna do here is set up event title, and I'll title mine softball games. Location, Old Henry Park. Description, home, James Street, and Old Henry. Type in second. You enter your name here, email address as well. Once all that is filled in, go on to next. It takes its time to load. Guess it didn't load properly. Just took me to an email address. Alright, the next thing will be is picking a date you would like your event to be planned on. You can go through here and go month by month, and you can select and highlight the days you want by just clicking on them. So we're just going to say every Wednesday in February I'll hold a softball game. And as you see, once I click it, they do come up on the side to select the dates. If you do click a date by mistake, you can click the trash can to get rid of that date. But all of my dates are pretty cool, so I'm gonna head on to the next thing, which will be the time proposal. If you click in a box, you can select the time you want your event to start. I'll give it a bit of a reasonable time and say 3 p.m. not 3 p.m. and hit the enter button, artist speak. And that should fill it in for you. I don't need a second time because it's only one game. So instead of going through and filling in each box, I can also click copy and paste from the first row, which is pretty cool. Save some time. If you want to add more rows or slots, you can add time slots here. But we don't need to do that, so on to the next. The settings, you can choose who you want to see your poll, how many people you want to participate, and it's of that nature. It's pretty cool. Take the time out to check it out. But on to next. This is the sharing part. It allows you to pick who you want to share your link with, as far as using your contacts through Google or iCloud, or even just adding a personal email here. We're not gonna send that to anybody, but if you want, you can just type in their email right here and click finish. Once you finish, it'll take you to the finish page where it shows you the link. Here you can on a link and see what you created with your Google, not Google, Doodle. And here it just lets you know when your event is. It lets you type in your name if you want to participate in this event, and you can highlight when you wanted to participate. And once you do that, just click save. It's not going to work for me because I created this. But like I say, it shows you what the event name is, where is it, and a bit more detailed information on the event itself. And that's about all I got on how to use Doodle.